Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Here this question is asking to find the volume of the region bounded by this area. Here we have two equations, that is y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Let's go ahead and draw the graph of this one first. Y is equal to x square, we know that that's going to be a parabola opening up, right? Since it's a positive parabola opening up, and also we don't have any additional subtraction, so it's going to start from origin. So this is going to start from origin, and this is going to be the parabola. And also we have y is equal to x, that's going to be a straight line, and also for this one also there's no addition or subtraction, so this is going to pass through origin too. So this is also passing through the origin, and the question is asking if we rotate the region bounded by these two curves, what's going to be the volume of that. Now to find that one, we can use Dishon-Wasser method. In Dishon-Wasser method, if we want to find the volume, we use this equation, that is volume is equal to phi integral a to b radius out square minus radius in square dx. Here only thing is we have to find the limits of integration, and we have to find the inside radius, outside radius. That's the main thing. Now we know that this is passing through origin, so this is going to be 0, and this is dx because this is rotating around x-axis. Sometimes you may see it, you may see question that is asking to rotate it around about y-axis. If it's rotated about y-axis, you have to use dy, and you have to write radius outside, radius inside in terms of y. Here this is rotated around x-axis, so that makes everything easier because we already have y in terms of x, so we don't have to change anything. So let's go ahead and find these limits of integration first. And we know this is starting from 0, and we have to know this value, this touching place. So to find that one, what you have to do is we have to equate these two equations to find the location. Now if I equate x square with x, I can rearrange this one. This is going to be x square minus x equal to 0, and if I take x common, this is going to be x minus 1, and from this one I know x is going to be 0 and x is going to be positive 1. We know 0 already, and this one is 1. Now we have the limits of integration. This is going from 0 to 1. Now outside radius, how we find that one? To find the outside radius, what we do is if you throw an arrow from the rotating region, wherever the arrow touches last, that's going to be the outside radius. So this is this line. This line is y is equal to x, and the inside radius is going to be wherever the line touches first. This is this parabola, right? That is y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x is going to be outside radius, y is equal to x square is going to be the inside radius. Now we have all the information. Now we can go ahead and solve for this question. So this is going to be phi integration going from 0 to 1. Outside radius, we know that is x, y is equal to x. So all we have to do is just plug the x right here. And outside radius square minus inside radius, that is x square square, right? Now if you square this one, this is going to be phi integration 0 to 1 x square minus x power 4, and also we have dx right here, x square minus x power 4 dx, and this is an easy integration. This is going to be phi x cube divided by 3 minus x power 5 divided by 5, and that's it. And that's going from 0 to 1, right? Now let's substitute the values. If you plug 1 for this one, this is going to be phi 1 cube divided by 3 minus 1 power 5 divided by 5. And then the next one we have to substitute 0, and you can see if you substitute 0 for this one, 0 over 3 zeros minus 0 over 5 0, that's going to give us 0 overall. and if you multiply 0 by 5, that's going to be 0. So we simply subtract 0, and this is not going to change anything. And from this one, we are left with this one, right? Let's continue this one on top. Let's get rid of this part. So here we are going to have 5 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. That's the one left. Now 5, if I take 15 as my common denominator, this is going to be 15, and this is going to be 5 minus 3, and finally we will end up with 2 over 15. So the final answer is going to be 2 over 15, 5. So this is going to be the volume if we rotate this shaded region around x-axis. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope it helps. See you next time.